How to use two visuals in one scene on Pictory AI. Maybe you need to know how to add more than one visual to a scene in Pictory. It is really cool, and maybe in different situations like advertisement videos is actually a need. I will tell you how you can make it in Pictory AI. To start, click on your project and open it. This is my video. And now I want to make the first slide with two different visual. First, let's make this footage smaller. Click on this option to do this. Now you can add new footage. Go to Visual section. In this part, search for the desired footage. If you click on the desired footage, it will replace to the video already as in the slide. To add it besides that video, click on the plus option here. As you can see, this video is added to the slide. Now you can change the size and position easily. Now, if you click on the white background in the slide, you can choose a background for these videos. By clicking on each footage, you can change it easily in the same way. By the way, you can customize the layers from this option below the slides easily. You can change the layer position and change layer, as also if you need more than two footage, you can add in the same way and there is no limit. And after all, you can preview and download your video. To download the video, you will need a premium account. To get a premium account with discount, you can add this coupon code to this box, and then apply it. I added this coupon code in the description. You can get 20% discount on all plans with this code. Copy and save it from the description for whenever you need.